Michelle, and I'm excited to introduce virtual organizing services. Are you ready to transform your space and simplify your life with the expertise of a professional organizer? Let's dive in. Virtual organizing brings the expertise of a professional organizer like myself to you through video conferencing. So wherever you are, I'm here to guide you in decluttering and creating an organized space that suits your needs and goals. Virtual organizing is perfect for those with busy schedules, someone who might live in a remote location, tech-savvy individuals, so someone very comfortable with technology, and anyone motivated to reach their organizing goals. If you're ready to tackle clutter with expert advice, this is for you. All you need is a computer, a tablet, or a smartphone that has a camera and a stable internet connection. Having some sort of stand for your device is a plus. I utilize FaceTime and Google Meet for our sessions, making it easy for you to connect, whether you're an Android user or an Apple user. Are you ready to begin your journey to a clutter-free, organized life? Schedule your complimentary consultation with me today. Let's work together to transform your space and simplify your life, organized the virtual way. You can find more details, including package pricing and information on how the process works at lifeorganizedwithmichelle.com. Thank you so much for considering Life Organized with Michelle. Let's make your organizing goals a reality virtually.